Hi guys, welcome back to L&D Home. In today's video, we are going to be giving you a Christmas decor tour. We are going to be sharing with you what our home looks like completely and fully decorated for the holidays. If you didn't know, now you know. We are crazy Christmas people over here in our home. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. We're going to show you all of the holiday goods and even tell you where some of our decor is from. I wanted to start this video off from our front door. This is what you see when you come into our front door. This is our great room, that's what we call it, and our dining room. We're actually going to start right next to the front door. We have this thrifted furniture piece that we house a lot of different storage things in. This actually usually looks different for our setup for Christmas, but we're actually having a friend's holiday party. So we have a little guess how many kisses are in the jar, but there's usually something else there. We also have one of these draft things that you put in front of your door, those beautiful snowmen. My parents actually gave us for Christmas one year, but we hate having them in front of the door because it's a pain, so we just put them there. This is behind my desk that's in the great room. This tiered tray, I believe, actually came from the Target dollar spot. We have some Dollar Tree items, some thrifted items. That Merry Christmas sign is also from Dollar Tree, I believe, maybe Walmart, I can't remember. And this awesome truck I actually got during the fall from Dollar General, but I thought it would look absolutely adorable with some pine cones, some extra Christmas ornaments, and some bottle brush trees. Next to that setup we just saw is actually our family heirloom. This is my grandma's organ. We don't play it. It's very sentimental. No one's allowed to touch it. Above that, this sign actually came from Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago. My mom purchased it for me. We have some candlesticks from our wedding, some little Christmas signs from Dollar Tree. I didn't want to hang them up, but I thought they would look really cute here. I don't love the glitter on them, but you can't really tell that there's glitter on them, so I'm okay with it. And then on top of those candlesticks, I actually got these little like ring centerpiece things from Dollar Tree, I think last year or the year before. This spot is right next to my desk in the great room, and we just wanted to make it look cozy. This lamp is actually usually in the dining room, or the living room, I mean, but we had to move it for the tree. So you'll see that in a minute. But we just wanted to make this look really cozy, bring in some textures with this throw blanket, the gray one actually from Ikea, a beautiful pillow. Then we have this adorable little teddy bear with a little baby teddy bear. I'm pretty sure my grandpa gave me this one year. I can't remember. I know that's terrible, but I really am attached to it and I really love it. We just wanted this to look like a really cozy spot. And throughout the home, you're going to see a ton of lit garland. We really love our lit garland. We actually made this. I will link in the cards up above a video I did with some Christmas decorating tips, and I talked about garland in that video. This little pot dealie is always there, the one you're about to see now. I just put some berries from Hobby Lobby I got a while ago in there in a little Christmas tree sign. This big Christmas tree sign on the wall is from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, and then we have my villages. Most of these, I think all except for one, are actually from my mom's collection. She's given me a few over the years. I just love my villages. It's just really sentimental because they all came from my mom, and I just think it looks so beautiful. That Christmas tree that you see, actually, she gifted me as kind of an heirloom piece because my grandparents used to have some of those trees in their home. She actually got that at Walmart, and I think they still have them this year. Next to the villages, we have this stool that we never use, but we sit here all the time, but we just wanted to make a little spot to commemorate people who just couldn't be with us for the holidays. Across the room next to the dining room is our dessert bar. Lots of storage in here as well, but we have this big welcome sign. I honestly don't remember where I got this. I've had it for a few years. And we have just some random beautiful Christmas decorations, this beautiful reindeer, lots of different things for Christmas, but also I like to incorporate some of my normal home decor like candlesticks, tiered trays, crates, things like that. So I don't have to put out only Christmas things. I really like to mix my things in. Cookies, there's really cookies in there. They're not usually there, but like I said, we're having this party. And then I just filled this lantern with some beautiful ornaments, most from Dollar Tree. That is actually another tip that's in that video that I did link in the cards, and I will also link down below on Christmas decorating tips. Here we have our dining room. Love our dining room. We go really simple on the table in here because we do use this table quite often. So just normal candlesticks that we have all the time. These hurricanes are from Dollar Tree, and the things around the hurricanes are also from Dollar Tree as well. And I did see them there this year. Just throw some pine cones and some ornaments in the middle there, and I think it looks really festive, but it's not too overdone. And that runner is actually from Walmart. Bought it this year. On the sides of our dining room table in the corner, we have these card tables that we can't seem to get rid of, so we just use them and put things on them. So we just kind of updated them for Christmas. I actually made these wreaths one year. There's one on either side of the mirror. They do light up, but I'm pretty sure the batteries are dead in the little things, so that's why they're not lit up. But they used to light up at one point in time. Making our way into the living room, I wanted to show off this blanket ladder my husband made for me. I bought this old ladder from a garage sale for like $1, and he helped me out with this, and I love it. So I just updated it with some beautiful throw blankets. You will see I like to put some items really close to the floor or on the floor. Please ignore that box of presents. It's for our party. But I like to put things at different heights. This garland actually is from Target Dollar Spot, and I wove in some of those berries from Dollar Tree just to make it look a little more festive. And here we have the corner of our living room. Our chair is not usually here, but we move it here since we put the tree right in front of the window. This sign, I believe, again, from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. I can't remember where the Happy Holidays sign is from, but this lantern right here, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. We actually got this from Walmart this year, and I think it's going to turn into a collection. It's so darling. Like I said, I like to put things just kind of all around, not just on the tops of things, but underneath, on the floor. Oh my gosh, look at that lantern. I just like to bring in Christmas everywhere. I did another one of those garlands, and here's my Santa my mom bought me. I did spruce him up a little bit, but love that. That's new this year. Comfy chair. My son's very upset we moved this chair to the side of the room because he loves to sit here, but we had to for the tree, which I promise you will see. We have one of these countdown calendars. We never use it. It's beautiful, but we never count down. I always forget to change it, but I just think it looks cute. Here we have some random decor, and this little box you're going to see is from Dollar Tree. I just sanded off the glitter a little bit. This is where I keep my keys and stuff, so it's not junky. This is the little kid area, coloring books, things that the kids can do for the holiday season. Here's the other side of the living room. My husband loves this little archway he created, actually out of pool noodles and PVC pipe, I believe. But it just looks really beautiful. Like I said, we love our lit garland. We made this. This is Dollar Tree garland and some other things that we use. We did not buy it like this, so you can definitely make garland on a budget and make your home look beautiful. So I'll just let you take a peek at some of the random things we have. And also my very comfy, cozy dog here in a minute in her sweater, relaxing on the couch, upset with me that I am filming. Here you're going to see another countdown I never change. This sleigh shelf is actually from Target Dollar Spot. This nutcracker is very old. That's why he has no feet. He's a family heirloom. The feet are lost, but I love him anyway. This is our fireplace. Again, lit garland. This lit garland is actually from Walmart because ours went out. But we absolutely love to do up our fireplace. Really amazing because I just love the way it looks. These holders are from Hobby Lobby like years and years ago. We have this little train here. We just like to incorporate lots of different things and not just have one thing sitting. These stockings are actually from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And like I said, we just like to put kind of random things like this little house and really just bring it all together. This Noel sign I made in a DIY. I will link that video up in the cards. And we are about to get to my favorite part of the room, which is our Christmas tree. Honestly, the living room is my favorite space in the house during the holidays because it's where we have the most festivity-like things going on. But here we go. Here is our tree. I absolutely love it. We do the dark red bulbs, the ornament bulbs, and then just lots of rustic and beautiful neutral. ornaments and our ribbon. And this tree is actually from Menards. My husband bought this for me for Christmas a few years ago. I call it my Balsam Hill. It is not a Balsam Hill, but I do joke that it's a Balsam Hill because it is the nicest tree I have ever had, and I am just in love with it. So if you are looking for a good tree at the end of the holiday season, check Menards because this tree is absolutely fabulous. The tree skirt you're going to see in a minute is from Hobby Lobby, again, quite a few years ago. We're now going to make our way into the kitchen. Again, more lit garland. I didn't plug it in, sorry guys, but I have to get behind the chair to do it. I couldn't be bothered. But we are heading into the kitchen where we just have these cute little Mr. and Mrs. cups that we got for a present one year. And yes, we do wreaths on every single cabinet. I actually made these from Dollar Tree garland and Dollar Tree ribbon and Dollar Tree bows. And I just tape them on every year and they stay. It's super easy peasy. And I like to decorate the top of our cabinets too. That Santa cookie jar is also a family heirloom. And then I just have some other random things up there. But I think having the wreaths on the cabinets really makes a difference. It's just really festive. It's my KitchenAid right next to my KitchenAid. Just a few things. We try not to do too much on the counters in the kitchen because we have very limited counter space. So we didn't really do too much on the counters, but we have more lit garland. And then you are going to see this is our entrance into our dining room. And this is usually my coffee bar, but it's actually set up right now as a hot chocolate bar because we're having that party. But I do have my holiday coffee mugs out. And this, like I said, is usually set up a little bit differently in this area. But since we're having that party, we are going to have a spiked hot chocolate bar, and I'm very excited about it. And if you didn't already think we're crazy Christmas people, we decorate our bathroom. This curtain, I believe, came from LTD. My mom actually bought this for us one year because I love red trucks. It's a thing. But we decorate both of our bathrooms, and you're going to see in a second our decorated bedroom as well. We like to bring Christmas into almost every room because we are crazy Christmas people. So we don't go too overboard in the bedrooms or in the bathroom, but we do like to add a little bit of a touch of something. You'll see my little gnome hiding in the background. You'll get a closer look of him, and I'll tell you where he is from. But we just like to bring in a few things just to make everything nice and festive. That is my husband's side of the bed, and the dresser here that houses all of the extra things I don't need, but I still can't get rid of because I have too many clothes. But we like to just bring in little things. Those trees that you're going to see, I actually made those from those Dollar Tree, really bright trees with the fuzzy things on them. This is my gnome. Got him from Menards this year for my birthday. Thank you, hubby, for buying me the gnome. You might be able to still find him because I got him just a few weeks ago, and he just looks adorable next to my side of the bed, and I just love him. This tray is just kind of festive up for the holidays. I will link in the cards the video where I made this tray and the plant holder that actually is a candle holder. Now for our basement. Welcome to our basement. Yes, we decorate this too. We really love Christmas here in our home. We really do. So this stuff is just sporadic. A lot of this stuff I've had actually for a really long time. So when we get to the kids' tree, I will come back to you and let you know about that. And here we have the kids tree. This was another tip in my Christmas decorating video, which I will link in the description box like I promised. But they love to do this every year. It's one of their favorite things to do during the holidays, decorate the tree together, because they get to go ham and put ornaments wherever they want, and it is their tree. And it brings a lot of coziness, memories, and Christmas vibes to our basement. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, but don't leave yet, because in a minute you are going to get a peek at our Winter Wonderland on the outside of our home. My husband spends months decorating and preparing for the outside, and it is truly a winter wonderland out there. You do not want to miss it. Make sure that you watch the video and click on the playlist that'll be coming on the screen after that winter wonderland, and hit that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family.